Hey everybody, drum tech drummer and online educator Kenny Sharretts coming to you with another episode of What's in the Box. Now as always, I'm super excited about what's in this box because I know what's in it. But more importantly for me, the drum that is in this box is going to help round out or aka complete a snare drum collection for me, allowing me to have a group of tones at my fingertips anytime I want, both as a tech for an artist in the studio or for me when I'm playing a gig or got a studio gig. So let's pop this bad boy open and see, what we get, y'all. I'm excited about this in so many ways. There's no ways to express it because, again, it's a matter of completion, y'all. All right, we got a little bit of crumply paper and another box. Boom. And as you can see, you see the wonderful word Super 10, but what kind of Super 10 is it? Now this is going to fulfill a series in my drum collection, allowing me to get all the classic tones I wanted from back in the day when all the guys I knew in the neighborhood had Rogers Super 10 snare drums. And I cannot wait to get this open, y'all. Here we go. Oh, thank God for a nice knife. Pop her open. Ah, ah. My favorite thing to see in a Rogers box is the Rogers key and the Rogers sticker. Come on. Let's pop the, another Rogers key and a Rogers sticker. Solid with a little Dynasonic keychain in there. Oh my God, y'all. I am super excited because here it is. The 6.5 by 14 brass Super 10, y'all. I'm unbelievably excited. Now I have a couple of Dynasonics, both in 6.5 and 5-inch depths, but I have a power tone that's a 6.5-inch drum, and of course the thunder tone, but I don't have a Rogers snare drum made of metal. Well now I do. Oh wow. Oh my God, this thing is gorgeous, y'all. Look at this head to toe shiny brass. And so now as a drummer, I'm allowed to go get all the tones I want in the studio or live. If somebody wants a metal drum, I've now got it in my Rogers collection, y'all. This is a beautiful masterpiece with a mint repro of the traditional Rogers clock face throw off. Super durable 2.3 mil hoops so you can really whack this thing. And even though I do love my Dynasonics, having a metal snare drum with a traditional throw off in my collection allows me to just have a diversity of sounds and do pretty much anything I want, both as a tech, as a drummer. So check out my tuning video coming out on this, as well as the tuning video I'm getting ready to do on the new power tone kits from Rogers, y'all. And as always, you're welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out my website, kennysharretts.com, for all your drum tuning needs, y'all.